Hmm. 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 Oh, wow. Very good. Then how many are there? How many of you have enjoyed? How many of you? I think you spent picnic also. Hmm. What are the items were there in the food? Hmm. Vegetarian or non-vegetarian items were there. Huh. Okay. Okay. Wow. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. So how per person how much you have contributed? 2,000 per person. It was really enjoying day. Hmm. Then where did you meet the picnic? Where in restaurant? Hmm. How many are there? You were there. How many of you were there enjoying this? 12 members, 24,000. Oh my God. 24,000 is been that means it was over that much it was sufficient or not that much sufficient. It was sufficient, I think. Oh, okay. 2,000 is nothing for getting feeling enjoy, enjoy. Yeah, enjoy party for the first day. It was really very uh, hmm, hmm. Okay. Are very long term friends you have. Okay, that's good. That's good. I really appreciate. Okay, then how did you plan that? That that means you. Hmm. Okay. And what about Anushka? She was also accompanied you, all of you. She was she was at home. Oh ho. Then she would be missing, I think. She'd be missing all of the parties and all. Oh yeah, I can understand. Okay, that's good. Mhm. Oh ho. Her friends. Okay. That's great. That means she was enjoying her party with her friends and you were enjoying your party with your friends. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, that's really very great, and I am really got tickle pink to hear you that you enjoyed the first day of this year very with very enthusiasm and also with your lovable friends, and it was really awesome for you. As so far as I expect. Okay, so let's start our discussion and let's not wait for them so far because of the time is not permitting to wait for them so far, isn't it? That's why. So let's start with tongue twisters. Okay. So tongue twister first one is ice cream. I am saying just all of the tongue twister you have or not. Just let me know. First one is ice cream, we all scream for ice cream. Next one is I saw a kitten eating chicken in the kitchen. Next one, cooks cook cupcakes quickly. Another one is this one, Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So Betty bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Next one is you can say she sells seashells by the seashore. Another one, nine nice night nurses nursing nicely. And next one, Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled papers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled papers, where is the pack of pickled papers Peter Piper picked? And these are the tongue twisters, isn't it? So if you have practiced, then let me know. First time you just say slowly, slowly. No need to be so much speed in. You just say slowly, slowly 5 times just each of the tongue twisters. Please start. And that's why you have done a very good result in spelling the tongue twisters. That's really nice. Daily, if you say in the session, it in the session itself, it will improve. No need to worry. No need to work for it in another time if you are busy in your schedules and all. So next, I want you to read any chapter. After you read the chapter, you should be able to comprehend the chapter, what the theme of the chapter. Okay, but before you say, I will be sharing the screen or I will be sharing one chapter, and I will be telling you what is the meaning of that paragraph if I read any paragraph. Okay, so I am reading one paragraph here. Any book I have taken, there's no any confirmations or terms and conditions or hard and fast rule that I have to take this one only. So I am sharing the screen. Can you see the screen here? Can you see the screen here? Can you see that one? Okay, so I am just reading the paragraph, and after that I will be telling you what is that one. Okay, this paragraph I am reading, only this paragraph. Okay, just try to follow it first. You can speak to people, the globe, and your home country who are interested in improving their English speaking skills. You can find out some apps such as OpenTalk in Google Play to accomplish this purpose. And what about that thing is told? That means it is the now it is being that means I read the chapter paragraph. Now I will be telling what is the meaning of that. Okay, what is the meaning of the chapter? That one I will be enhancing. Now how to reply, how to comprehend. प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे करते हैं वो आपको सीखना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि जैसा जैसा मैंने बोल दिया इसको फिर से एक बार पढ़ के सुना लिया, ऐसा नहीं है. आपको प्रेजेंटेशन, हाउ टू प्रेजेंट, हाउ टू मेक ए प्रेजेंटेशन, एंड दैट इज important. So how to do that, please let me complete and just follow me, then you can understand, you can get the fact. Okay, so let's start. In so far as I am concerned, I have read the paragraph. The book is on spoken English skills. In this paragraph, in this short paragraph, I wanna make understand that